You have a projects folder on your machine. Inside it, every project is a self-contained directory. The code lives in a source folder, and right next to it, also inside the same directory, is a hidden folder called .obsidian vault. That folder is your Obsidian vault for that project. It contains your notes, your specs, your decision records, and most importantly, a file called claude.md. That file is a plain text briefing document. It tells any AI, Copilot, Claude, anything, exactly what this project is, what the current state is, what decisions have been made, and what it should never do. When you open the project root in VS Code and switch on Copilot agent mode, Copilot can see the code and the vault notes at the same time. Same folder, same Git repo, same context. That is the whole idea.